bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Sabi nila, bahalang araw darating. Next, we're still the one I run to, the one that I belong. Magandang araw sa ating lahat. So, kung gusto nyo matuto kung paano mag-fingerstyle sa gitara, nasa tamang video kayo. Okay, so ang gagawin na lang natin is ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba ako nagsimula, paano ako natuto. And don't you worry guys, madali lang siya. Okay, lagyan lang natin ng counting and sigurado mabilis ninyong makukuha. So, first thing, pangalanan natin yung mga strings. Yung pinakamaliit sa pinakababa, ito yung first string natin. Yung next, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string, and then yung pinakalas na pinakamalaki, ito yung ating sixth string. Okay? And then, yung magagamit lang natin na fingers na ituturo ko, kasi doon din ako nagsimula, and trust me, magagamit ninyo, is itong apat na to, except yung pinakamaliit na hiniliit ninyo. So, ito lang, yung ring finger, yung middle finger, and then yung index finger or yung pointer finger ninyo, and then yung thumb. Yun lang ang magagamit natin. So, paano yung positioning? Yung positioning ng mga fingers is ganito. Yung ring finger ninyo is para sa first string. And then yung middle finger ninyo is para sa second string. And then sa third string naman is yung pointer finger ninyo. Ayan. So, bali ganyan ang kanyang position. Para sa thumb naman is yung fourth string, fifth string, and then sixth string. Ayan. Okay, so ganyan yung position niya. And then, ngayon, magka-count na tayo. So, yung counting natin is ganito. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Ganun lang. Again. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Mas bagalan pa natin. Alam ko mahirap yan sa first time, pero I assure you, kung gawin nyo araw-araw, matututo kayo. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Ayan. So, ang technique para dyan is i-memorize niyo yung counting muna natin. So, bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. So, lagyan natin ng chords para marinig ninyo kung totoo ba talaga yung sinasabi ko. Of course, totoo. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Bass 3, yung bass para sa G natin is yung third fret sa 6th string. Ito. Yan yung bass for G chord. Yung bass naman natin sa E minor is open. Open sa 6th string. And yung bass natin sa C is yung third fret sa 5th string. Yan. And then next, yung bass naman natin sa D is yung open na 4th string. Again, slower gawin natin. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. And then E minor, bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. And then C, bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. And then D, bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. So, tuloy-tuloy na natin. Medyo mabilis. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Masyadong mabilis. Sorry. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. 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 'Cause there is something and there is nothing, and there's nothing in between. Joke lang. So, Try natin. Try natin kantahan para maniwala kayo. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bass 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Sabi nila, balang araw darating. X, we're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. And even at a story, something to get off my chest. So, gawin nyo araw-araw para masanay yung mga fingers nyo sa pag-pluck, sa pag-finger style, okay? And, madali lang yan. After nyo master yan, then, marami na kayong matututunan. Okay, so, ganun lang muna for now. And then, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!